The browser is a bit unusual error occurs when browser settings, for example extensions or privacy features, block GoDaddy's login dialogues or scripts. Quick fixes: try incognito or private mode. Open GoDaddy in incognito, Ctrl+Shift+N in Chrome to bypass extensions, charge cookies. Disable extensions, go to Browser Extensions. Temporarily disable ad blockers, uBlock Origin, AdBlock, Privacy Tools, DuckDuckGo, Privacy Badger, or VPNs. Clear cache and cookies in Browser Settings, Privacy, clear browsing data, allow pop-ups and third-party cookies for GoDaddy.com, allow pop-ups, redirects, and third-party cookies in Site Settings. Turn off VPN or iCloud Private Relay. Disconnect VPN on iOS, macOS, disable Private Relay, Settings, Apple ID, iCloud. Update browser and enable. JavaScript, ensure latest version. JavaScript is usually on by default. Try another browser. Switch to Chrome, Firefox, or Edge.